Is your Facebook Watch video icon tab is missing on your Facebook page? If so, then you can watch this video to see how you can bring it back. So first, you'll have to open your Facebook app. Then as you can see at the top tabs, I do not have the watch video icon here. So in order to bring it on the tab, you're just going to have to click on these three dots at the top right. Then go down and go to settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, you can scroll down under preferences and find the tab bar. You tap on it. Then you're going to tap on customize the bar. And as you can see, hidden shortcuts, I have the video tab hidden right now, so I can tap it to pin. Once I pin this, the video tab will now show, or you can tap it, keep it on auto. So once you do this, you go back and you'll have to restart your Facebook app. Once you restart your app, you're going to reopen it. And as you can see, the video tab now is visible to me and I can watch videos from here. If this still doesn't work for you, then you're going to open your phone settings. And once your settings is open, you're going to find your app vault and tap on app settings. Then find your Facebook app under these app collections. Once you find Facebook, you're going to tap on storage. And once you open your storage, you're going to clear cache. And you can restart your app and check if the video tab is now shown. If it still doesn't work, then step 3, you'll have to update the app and make sure the app is up to date. So you're going to search for Facebook on Play Store. And if you find an update option right here, you're going to click on update and then open the app and see if that solves the problem. And if you do all of that, then your missing video icon tab would be visible on your Facebook. Thank you for watching.